Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna talk about whether ChatGPT Plus has a free trial offer you can claim. Right, so if you open up ChatGPT and click on Upgrade to Plus here, you can see that you can upgrade your current free ChatGPT plan to ChatGPT Plus. However, they do not offer a free trial offer currently. However, I'm still going to show you a way to basically get a ChatGPT Plus free trial. However, also keep in mind that although there isn't an official ChatGPT Plus free trial, you can always use the free research preview of ChatGPT, which is the current plan on this account I have here. And although it might have standard response speed, you might experience more frequently that ChatGPT is slow, you're still going to be able to use ChatGPT currently with a free plan. However, if you want to use a free trial offer, as I said, there isn't an official free trial of ChatGPT Plus. But if you check out their FAQ section, I will also link this in the description below. You can see that if you live in the EU, UK or Turkey, you are eligible for a refund if you cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription within 14 days of purchase. So I don't know how they verify whether you are from this country, but even if you are in the US or India or Asia or any kind of other country, you can tell them that you are from the EU and you are requesting a refund, and you might be able to get the refund on your subscription. As you can see, you have to write the refund email to this email address. So this is the not official way to get a free trial of the ChatGPT Plus subscription for 14 days, as you can see here.